Hi, ladies and gentlemen, this is Jack from Hiorolator, China. Today, it's my great honor to give a brief introduction of Hiorolator. Hiorolator was established in 2005 in China and focused on the laser machineries R&D. With more than 20 years experience, now we already developing for laser welding machines, laser cutting machines, laser cleaning machines, and laser marking machines. And our products was selling in more than 180 countries. It's very popular in the world. And we have more than 20 service centers in the world. And now we just come to Korea to set up our service center in Korea to do the service for our customers here. And today, in this chance, we take a position to introduce our production. We have these laser welding machines. We have the water cooling and air cooling. This one is a water cooling laser welding machines. We have 1 kilowatt, 1.5 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, and 3 kilowatt. After that, we make the machines more smaller and it comes to the next. And here you can show this welding. It's very simple. All you need to hold the gun and then you can do the welding. Just now, we showed our water cooling laser cleaning machine and laser welding machine. Now, we're showing our smaller machines. This make it more smaller, more smart, and also with AI. Today, we're showing this is air cooling is 1.5 kilowatt. And for this one, it's more smaller, no water chiller. So the same technology about the laptop. And now it's showing this welding. I'm showing portable laser marking machines. Actually, the portable laser marking machine, it's very small. It's only 5 kg. We can make design here. It's very easy. And then with the battery inside, one-time charge can use 4 to 5 hours. Now, already make it work and do the marking. Okay, just now we introduced some machines, and now comes to our laser cleaning machines. We have air cooling machines and also water cooling laser cleaning machines. Right now, this one is for the air cooling. It's very smaller, weighs only 40 kgs. And now this one, it's very convenient. It's easy. So adjust here with power. Now, for this material, it's very rusty. If we want to do the surface solution, we need to do this cleaning first. To operate these machines is very simple. And that also will be a little bit rough on the surface. So then we do the painting, it's very fine.